In this video, Bitcoin is right now forming a lot of massive indicators for the bigger time frame in the monthly time frame. And for today's video, we are going to dive into that movement. And on top of that, we're also going to give you a quick update with the very short term. So stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video. And diba, for the past few days na nga, we have been following a lot of macro scale indicators. And right now, we are going to show you another one that is showing na it's also bullish. And right now, this indicator na I'm going to show you is an indicator na we have been using for the past few months na nga. And na-analyze na actually natin to dati. But today, we are going to give you a quick review on that. Kasi right now, we are seeing this to start to form. And that is by looking at the stochastic RSI as well as the MACD. So, siguro yung maganda muna pag-usapan dito is the stochastic RSI. As you can see, andun pa yung previous analysis natin. And para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, the stochastic RSI is actually a good indicator in determining if you are going to see a long-term uptrend or a long-term bear trend. And that is by looking at this monthly stochastic RSI. And if you're going to look at the historical data, whenever na Bitcoin is trying to break, or it's, let's say, if you're going to see a bullish cross sa ating stochastic RSI, that is going to indicate na we are going to enter into a long-term Bitcoin bull market. And as you can see, that happened noong 2015, wherein we saw a long-term bull market from 2015 up until the 2018. And then as you can see, yun din nangyari noong 2019. Noong 2019, we saw also the similar bullish cross sa ating stochastic RSI. And then in that case, we saw a long-term bull market for the Bitcoin price action, wherein it lasted from 2019 up until 2021. And then right now, this is actually seen in the monthly time frame. Take note, guys. And then take a look at this. Right now, Bitcoin is also forming that similar bullish cross sa ating monthly time frame from the stochastic RSI. So right now, it is actually hinting that we might see a potential long-term bull market for the Bitcoin price action. And take note, this is not going to happen immediately kasi take a look at this. Noong 2019 bullish cross sa ating stochastic RSI, it took us roughly around 2 years for us to see that play out. So that is going to indicate na from this point on moving forward, that is one of the best time for us to see that massive movement to the upside and a bullish movement na nga. But yeah, it will take a lot of time kasi this is not in the shorter time frame. Hindi ibig sabihin nito na if let's say nagkaroon ng bullish cross, bukas mangyayari na. It doesn't work like that. It works like if nag-bullish cross sa ngayon, then within the next few months, it's more likely na paakit yung Bitcoin price action rather than for it to go down kasi based on historical data, whenever na we are seeing those bullish cross, those movement went to an uptrend and those are good signs for the Bitcoin price action. So right now, we are at that similar area and I'm actually getting ready for this. So right now, napuno na aking lahat ng mga stock wallet, yung aking spot wallet ko, napuno na sila lahat. So I'm now getting ready for this bullish movement whenever now we are going to see this to play out. And yeah, this is actually a very good sign. So make sure to hit the notification bell and hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss our next update regarding this stochastic RSI. So right now, that is what we're going to monitor for the long term. And siguro just another analysis then for the MACD kasi look at this. The MACD is a delaying indicator. As you can see, MACD is right now starting to form a bullish momentum or a potential bullish cross. So sa ating monthly time frame, so if let's say we are going to see this bullish cross sa ating MACD, then we also might support this bullish stochastic RSI cross. So in that case, if nagkaroon tayo ng bullish cross on both MACD as well as sa ating stochastic RSI on the monthly time frame, then that is also a good sign na we might see a long-term bull market ka din. So right now, it's actually telling us a lot of very good indicators. So right now, lahat ng mga nag-aabang, it's actually looking like a very good sign right now for the long term. So yeah, it's getting pretty exciting na nga dito. So yeah, right now, make sure to follow that and we are going to add those indicators within the next few weeks and next few days for us to follow. So that is for the long term. Now let's dive into the very short term kasi diba sa ating very short term, ang monitor natin was this for our bearish divergence and diba sabi ko sa inyo, I'm not expecting too much move dito kasi as you can see, ang tagal ng ating consolidation dito. And sabi ko naman sa inyo, diba, I'm not expecting a massive move. I'm just expecting somewhat a sideways price action. Pero if let's say magkaroon siya ng breakdown, ang lowest point na pwede natin makita is around the 21.5. And take a look at this, diba? Nagkaroon siya ng breakdown and it met our target of around 21.5k exactly. Kaya, that is actually looking pretty good right now for the Bitcoin price action. It's just moving sideways. I think this is just more of a pullback right now kasi grabe naman yung tinaas na ni Bitcoin. But looking at this in the early time frame, we can also see na we are forming that potential bullish divergence sa ating smaller time frame. Though I think this is only going to play out up until this very movement of up until the 21.9k lang. Just a very short uptrend lang for the time being. This falling channel at the same time this bullish divergence, I think it's that movement lang na babalik tayo up until that area. So if let's say we are going to see that movement, I think that's the only area na we can target dito for the Bitcoin price action. So I think what I'm more expecting dito is for this to form longer consolidation dito for the Bitcoin price action. And mas maganda na if let's say sa 4-hour time frame, mas maganda na meron tayong bullish divergence sa 4-hour time frame rather than sa smaller time frames kasi of course sa 4-hour time frame then mas malakas yung ating divergences. So that is what I'm going to monitor right now for the Bitcoin price action. And yeah, 21.5k, it actually met that specific support area right now, but yeah, right now that is what I'm going to monitor if you're going to form a bullish divergence. And yeah, lowest possible point after 21.5k would be around this area. Let's try to extend this line. The lowest possible point is around the $20,500. And I don't think that we are going to go much lower than 20,500. So 20,500 is the lowest point and 21.5k is a very good support. So right now, that is what we are going to monitor with the Bitcoin price action. And take note to use our BYBIT account dito when signing up. Kasi dito if you're going to use our BYBIT sign up link, you're entitled to future promos and raffles. And as you can see, meron ako dito Gabbal FC na nakalagay na BYBIT. So if let's say you're going to use our sign up link, you're also entitled to our future raffle and pwede kayo makakuha ng ganitong jersey. So make sure to use our sign up link if you're going to use BYBIT. And of course, kaya maganda kay BYBIT kasi mas mura ating Bitcoin trading fees, and you can also earn up to $5,000 bonus if you're going to use our sign up link. And if you mag-deposit ka for the first time, pwede nyo makuha yung bonus na yan. So make sure to use our sign up link. It's available guys in the description down below. But anyway, I'm gonna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.